is being smarter better? Being smarter than the average person does have its advantages. Some believe individuals with high IQs are likely to have a better chance at greater success in education, career, and thus possible wealth. But could there be a downside to all of this? In a 2018 study, researchers conducted an experiment based on 2015 group data on Mensa members. Mensa is a highly intelligent society whereby members are required to have an IQ of 130 and above. The researchers concluded that individuals with high IQs are more likely to suffer from mood and anxiety disorders. Nearly 27% of Mensa members were reported to suffer from a mood disorder such as depression, while another 20% reported they were diagnosed with anxiety disorder. Intellectuals were also found to be 182% more likely to develop at least one mood disorder than the average person. So, what are some of the reasons highly intelligent people are more likely to be depressed? Number 1. Overthinking and overanalyzing. According to the same 2018 research led by researcher Ruth Karpinski and her colleagues, intellectuals are likely to have intellectual and psychological overexcitabilities. Dr. Nicole Tetreault, a co-author of the study, explained, in a subset of the high IQ population, a minor insult such as a clothing tag or an unnatural sound may trigger a low-level chronic stress response, which then activates a hyperbody response. Due to intellectuals' hypersensitive and hyper-aware traits, they are more likely to have their mind flooded with thoughts. They tend to overanalyze, overworry, and sometimes react more severely than an average individual, as they realize the severity of each action and its consequences. As an example, they may overanalyze comments from their boss, possibly thinking of the worst outcome in their head, regardless of the truth. Or, in a social gathering, individuals with high IQ may have a hard time relaxing and enjoying the party, as they're concerned about themselves and their surroundings, such as whether their friends are enjoying themselves. A highly intelligent person may dwell on questions that the general population wouldn't worry about, such as philosophical questions. As the saying goes, ignorance is bliss, but your average person may not have this extra weight, these questions they ponder. Without proper social support, individuals with high IQs may end up in an endless tunnel of questions and negative thoughts that could lead to anxiety, helplessness, and depression. 2. High expectations. According to Dr. Leon F. Seltzer, in an article from Psychology Today, many highly intelligent individuals realize their potential and abilities, and with that, they have great expectations of themselves. They can be rather hard on themselves and have difficulties accepting and being satisfied with their achievements. It becomes worse if the people around them have the same high expectations. And so, intelligent people have a risk of falling into a cycle of disappointment when they can't achieve the unrealistic standards they've set. 3. Too accustomed to easy success. While it's different for everyone, some with a high IQ may just have an easier time in school. This may allow them to grow up accustomed to easy success in school, as most schools' grading systems rely on concept and theory. However, success, in reality, is not solely reliant on intelligence. It's a mix of intelligence, skills, practicality, and creativity. According to Psychology Today, they grow up having it easy in school. They may lack the perseverance to learn new skills outside of class and adapt to different circumstances. Dr. Seltzer also mentions that intelligent people may not being accustomed to struggling to learn new things when they're in situations that demand they exert themselves. So they can procrastinate or abandon the endeavor entirely. A lot of the time, the learning process is accompanied by failures, learning from it and trying again. It may not be a process that highly intelligent individuals are accustomed to, and it may challenge them. And number 4, individuals with high IQs may have difficulties making and maintaining friendships. At times, being smarter and more knowledgeable can easily be misunderstood as arrogance. According to the same article by Dr. Seltzer from Psychology Today, some may find it challenging to be good friends with someone smarter. They may feel inferior and in a different league compared to highly intelligent individuals. Intelligent individuals may even feel frustrated when others can't understand what they're trying to convey, despite repeating what they say and using layman's terms. Because of this, communication may be difficult, especially when both parties are not always in sync and may not understand each other well. A study on children with high IQs in Seattle, published in the journal Roper Review, revealed that their participants tended to be friendly with older kids. They also agreed that being smart made it hard for them to make friends of their own age. So, do you relate to any of these reasons? It can be easy to assume that those with high intelligence will always have it easy in life, but the reality may be far from it. If you relate to any of these reasons, which problem do you have the hardest time with? It's a great first step to admit the problem you're having. Then you can work on accepting and integrating solutions with the help of a loved one, counselor, or doctor. Don't be afraid to reach out to a trusted friend or professional for help. It's not always easy being a bit different from the average person, even if you have a high IQ. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to Psych2Go for more psychology videos. And feel free to share your experiences in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.